In this video, we're going to be talking about FaceTime audio or video call not working. So let's just get straight into the video. There are a couple of ways you can go ahead and fix these problems. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, go ahead and try restarting FaceTime. If you haven't already, simply go ahead and open your settings, look for FaceTime. So right over here, or inside of application, and tap on FaceTime. And now all you need to do is simply turn that off and turn it on again. Also ensure in the settings that your date and time are set to set automatically, because sometimes that also interferes. And if none of those work, simply go ahead and head into your settings and then go to general and scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and click on reset network settings, and it should go ahead and solve it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have any other queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll get back to you. See you again.